Pros and cons of living in Denver, Colorado look vastly different when you actually look at the real data. Many people move here for nature, but one hidden financial statistic might completely change your mind. When I spent time exploring the city, the high happiness index of the local residents was very obvious. This joy is driven by the climate, which offers nearly 300 days of beautiful sunshine every year. Families also benefit from exceptional healthcare facilities and highly rated public education options nearby. The entertainment scene is massive, especially since this area is known as the craft beer capital of America. I love walking through the River North Art District, which showcases incredibly unique community vibes. However, there is a specific transit issue that catches every newcomer off guard during the winter months. On the bright side, future economic growth is secure thanks to booming tech and aerospace job sectors. I paused to study the employment data because the rate of corporate expansion is truly remarkable to see. This brings us back to that financial statistic where low utility bills help balance out housing costs. Let us look at a real scenario where a normal family budget is managed month to month in this unique region. While the median home price sits around $560,000, basic utilities remain low. This trade-off means daily costs are stable, even if the initial real estate purchase feels quite premium. Regarding the downsides, the physical transition to living a mile above sea level takes time for everyone. When I first arrived, the thin air forced me to slow down my morning runs for at least the first 2 weeks. The second major challenge is the heavy transit congestion along Interstate 70 during winter. I spent an hour sitting in ski traffic, wondering how locals adapt to this predictable weekend bottleneck. Neighborhood safety requires standard awareness, though most residential sectors remain peaceful and calm. The community focuses heavily on wellness, which creates a highly supportive environment for young families. First, you should track your average monthly energy bills to see how much money you will save on utilities. Second, rent a temporary apartment in Lower Highland before committing to a permanent home purchase. Third, give your body a full month to adjust to the mountain altitude before attempting any strenuous hikes. Balancing these factors proves that the city offers a stable future for those who love an active lifestyle. Choosing to move here depends on whether you value mountain access enough to pay the premium housing cost.